The just-released Orchids app has raced to the top of UI Bench, an AI text-to-app tools leaderboard that ranks the tools on the basis of visual design capabilities, beating years-old tools like Replit, Figma, and Lovable. The creators of the app claim that Orchids can single-handedly implement the complete stack, front-end to back-end, including auth, payments, and even a plethora of third-party integrations. The link to the leaderboard is in the description. So does this mean it is the end of software development as a career, or is there still a silver lining to the cloud? The answer to this question is rooted in an interesting story, and here's how it goes. An ancient king had two brothers serving in his court. One was a humble door guard, standing watch day in and day out. The other was a high-ranking official, a trusted advisor to the king. The king's wife, observing this disparity, asked the king why the two brothers, even though born of the same family, were placed so differently in the court. The king, a wise ruler, decided to answer her question not with words but with a demonstration. The very next day, a crucial meeting was scheduled. The king's daughter was to meet a potential suitor, a prince from a neighboring kingdom, to discuss their impending marriage alliance. To prepare the room for the meeting, the king summoned the guard brother. "Go to the forest," he commanded, "and bring back wood to heat the chamber for this vital discussion." The guard swiftly went to a nearby garden to collect some twigs and promptly returned and presented the king with a small pile of broken branches he'd collected from the garden. Then the king called upon the minister brother and gave him the exact same command. The minister brother left at once. However, he was nowhere to be seen until well after dusk. When he finally returned, the king, feigning impatience, asked him, "What took you so long?" The minister brother bowed respectfully and replied, "Your Majesty, considering the immense importance of this meeting, I assessed that it required a touch beyond the ordinary. So I personally traveled to a neighboring state, known for its exquisite resources, to procure high-quality sandalwood. This wood, as you know, produces a fragrant aroma when burned and very little smoke, ensuring a pleasant and unobtrusive atmosphere for such delicate negotiations." He continued, "Furthermore, I brought a souvenir made of the same sandalwood, which I believe will serve as a thoughtful parting gift for the visiting prince." And there, the king's answer to his queen was clear. This story beautifully illustrates how understanding intent and context with a bit of innovation, instead of following the literal command, can impact outcomes differently. And that, my friends, is exactly where you, as a human developer, cannot just beat, but outshine automated AI code generators. They are the guard. But we humans have the potential to be better and more impressive than AI at any given point in time.